Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create group chat on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram direct message. So we can tap on this icon on the top right corner of our screen. Then if we want to create a group chat, we can tap on this pencil icon. Then you can select the accounts that you would like to add to your group chat. You can search for the account right here on the search button. Then I'm going to search this account. Wait guys, okay, this one. Tap on the account that you want to add to your group chat, and I'm going to add this account as well. And after you're done adding the account that you want to add to your group chat, you can click on create group chat over here. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and now the group chat has been created guys. This is the group chat, but wait, it's still loading. And you can change the name of the group chat. You can also add new account to this group chat. And alright guys, that's how we can create a group chat on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.